In this video, I will show you how to create vintage effect for portrait photos in Lightroom. So, in the beginning, we go to the basic section. Click on black and white. Then click on the tone curve section. Click on the point curve icon. Do exactly as you see in the video. Then click on the color grading section. Click on the shadow icon above. Increase the hue to 52 and increase the saturation to 25. Then click on the effect section. Reduce the post crop vignetting amount to -23. Then increase the grain amount to 46. Then click on the masking icon at the top. Click on the radial gradient. Select the person from the photo. Reduce the exposure to -0.64. Click on the done button. Now see the difference between these two photos. Thanks for watching the video.